To make cornflour water, add 2 tablespoons corn flour. Add 1 glass of water and mix it. Mix it so that there's no lumps. The cornflour water is ready. In a pan, add oil. Add garlic cloves and stir fry. Stir continuously. Now that it has become soft, we will add some chopped garlic. Stir fry it till the garlic gets golden. See, garlics are ready. Now add prepared cornflour water. Add water. Salt to taste. Black pepper. Stir continuously so that there are no lumps. Let it boil for a while. When it's nicely boiled, add chili flakes. Now the soup is ready. Now enjoy the soup. Whenever you are getting cold or feeling tired, that time you can use this soup. It's really tasty and hot. And of course, it's very healthy. If you like my video, don't forget to subscribe. Salad and Food. Thank you.